सोगाळा तारा छबिला तारा रंगीला तारा रंगवेर जुए तारी वाट सोगाळा तारा ओरे छबिला तारा ओरे रंगीला तारा रंगवेर जुए तारी वाट रे सोगाळा तारा ओरे छबिला तारा ओरे रंगीला तारा रंगवेर जुए तारी वाट रे
Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So how are you all? So as you all know that Navratri is just around the corner. So today in this video I am going to share Navratri makeup tutorial, or you can say Durga Puja makeup tutorial. But before starting the video, if you find this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. It means a lot to me. Also press the bell icon so that you can get notified every time I post a new YouTube video. So let's get started.
Missing someone without you. Missing someone without.
So for moisturizing my face, I am going to use this Pond's Super Light Gel. So this is how its consistency looks like. अगर मैं इसकी consistency की बात करूँ, so ये काफ़ी ज़्यादा लाइट वेट है और मुझे काफ़ी ज़्यादा पसंद आया. इसमें हाइलुरोनिक एसिड भी है जो आपकी स्किन के लिए काफ़ी अच्छा होता है और ये ऐसा मॉइस्चराइजर काफ़ी अच्छा काम करता है, काफ़ी अच्छे से आपके फेस को हाइड्रेट कर देता है. एंड ऑल्सो इसका छोटा टब आई गैस जो मेरे पास है काफ़ी ज़्यादा अफोर्डेबल है. इसका प्राइस है for rupees 50 only, which is quite affordable for a moisturizer. So after moisturizing my face, I am going to use this Blue Heaven Hyper Matte Foundation. And I am going to take 2 pumps of this on the back of my hand. I am in the shade Honey. It also has SPF 25. So आपको सनस्क्रीन लगाने के लिए चीज़ें आप इसकी कवरेज देख सकते हैं. Looks very flawless. And for concealer, I am going to use this Swiss Beauty liquid concealer in the shade 05. It's a full coverage concealer and one of my favorites concealer. मैं almost इसे हमेशा यूज करती हूँ for those. और आप इसकी फिनिश देख ही सकते हैं कैसी आएगी. तो मैं थोड़ा लगा रही हूँ इसमें. Now I am going to blend this concealer. So you all can see how flawless my face actually looks like after applying this concealer. So our base makeup is almost done, and now I am going to use this Blue Heaven eyebrow pencil to fill in my eyebrows. And it is in the shade grey. ये भी मैं ऑलमोस्ट डेली लगाती हूँ बिकॉज इससे काफ़ी ज़्यादा नेचुरल फिनिश इससे काफ़ी ज़्यादा नेचुरल लगती है आईब्रोज, फेक नहीं लगती ज़्यादा। So my eyebrows are done and now I am going to use this Huda Beauty Nudes palette, and from this palette I am going to take this shade, these two shades, Tickle and Lace, and I am going to apply this on my eyelids. This is a very natural eyeshadow, इतनी ज़्यादा मतलब कि आप डेली बेसिस पे बहुत अच्छे से यूज़ कर सकते हो क्योंकि इसके शेड्स काफ़ी ज़्यादा लाइट हैं। And now I am going to use this SFR Blueberry palette, and from this palette I am going to use this shade Ringlight, and I'm going to apply this and on top of this I am going to apply this shade Billie Jean. This is a glitter shade. And you all can see how pretty it looks. And now from the same palette I am going to use these two shades on my lower lashes. इससे एक काफ़ी ज़्यादा स्मोकी इफेक्ट आता है आपकी आईज पे। And now I am going to use this matte blush, and this is in the shade Peaches. This is a very nice golden shade. And now I am going to use this blue hand eyeliner in the shade blue. I am going to apply a green eyeliner. Also, blue eyeliner काफी अच्छा लगता है. And this is how it actually looks like. And now for the mascara, I am going to use this Mars mascara. This is how it actually looks like. ये काफ़ी ज़्यादा सिमिलर है Maybelline के mascara से, और ये आपको काफ़ी ज़्यादा अच्छी लेंथ और वॉल्यूम प्रोवाइड करता है. This always has a face. I'm also going to apply this in my lower lashes. So you all can see the difference now. And now I am going to apply this Blue Heaven 24 hours kajal. क्योंकि नवरात्रि लोग बिना काजल के इनकम्प्लीट होती है. So I am going to apply this. this is how my makeup actually looks like. But ये अभी भी थोड़ा incomplete लग रहा है. And to complete this makeup look, I am going to apply this Master Chrome highlighter in the shade Rose Gold. And I will also apply this highlighter on my inner corners. And now to complete this makeup look, I am going to apply this color green lipstick in the shade Nugget. और मैंने ये मीशो से ऑर्डर की थी क्योंकि मैंने इसके काफ़ी अच्छे रिव्यूज़ देखे थे वहाँ पे. सो दिस इज हाउ द शेड एक्चुअली लुक्स लाइक. दिस इज वेरी पिगमेंटेड. And this is how this lipstick looks on me. It's very pretty pinkish nudish shade. And to complete this makeup look, I am going to wear this nose pin because Navratri में इसके बिना look incomplete होता है. So yes, this is how it actually looks like. And also बिंदी कमर खुली हुई थी. So this is the final finished makeup look.
सोगाड़ा तारा छबीला तारा रंगीला तारा रंग बेर जुए तारी बात. सोगाड़ा तारा ओए छबीला तारा ओए रंगीला तारा रंग बेर जुए तारी बात रे. सोगाड़ा तारा ओए छबीला तारा ओए रंगीला तारा रंग बेर जुए तारी बात रे.
The Navratri or Durga Puja makeup tutorial. So if you find this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, and also press the bell icon so that you can get notified every time I post a new YouTube video. So I will see you all in a new YouTube video super soon. So till then, stay happy.